Looking at the constant showers of clutter, it saps all of our energy. It is very much true that a cluttered home drains you emotionally. So, today I am sharing 7 decluttering mistakes which people often do while organizing. Welcome back to my channel, friends. Hope you all are doing fine. So, first one is decluttering on special occasions only. Don't wait for any special occasion like Diwali or New Year to declutter. Declutter unnecessary items time to time. First of all, it makes the home organized, and secondly, on special occasions, you don't get burdened with so much of tasks. People with too much clutter often save anything that breaks just having the intentions that they will fix it or repurpose it. Here I am talking about all those broken things that starts to pile up and cause clutter and guilt. Some of them are like handbags with a broken zipper, kids' toys. So I have cluttered space in my home by saving things that we never going to fix. Instead, make a designated place for items you want to repair. Next one is not picking a focused area to declutter. If you are trying to declutter your home, don't just go doing all in one day. Instead, declutter by choosing a focused area, a drawer, a cupboard, a corner of a room. In this way, you feel less stressed while doing decluttering. Another mistake people often do while decluttering or organizing is that not keeping like items together. Store needle, thread, scissors in same place, likewise hammer and nails in same place. In this way, you don't waste time searching for the hammer and then looking for nails everywhere. Use micro organization system for this. I bet we all have drawers or cabinets stuffed with items that were waiting for a special occasion. Some of them are dinnerware, plates, bowls, or some clothes also. While waiting for that special day, some of them go out of style. Let's get out our fancy stuff and make each day a special occasion. You will free up lots of storage space and moreover find joy in using your special items. Sometimes we clutter our home with the things because we want to find right person for it. Instead of doing this, just give it away anonymously. Someone else will likely be blessed by it. Last but not the least mistake we often do is while decluttering, we sometimes organize the clutter. I myself stored these boxes in a cupboard in an organized manner, but I don't know how to use them. If you have too much stuff that you don't want, discard those things. Now organize what's left, because organized clutter is still a clutter. Hope this will be helpful when you next time declutter. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my channel.